Clip 84, percentage of amount 1. So this is the straightforward percentage questions. So let's go over here first, the key building blocks. So there's some, like Lego blocks when you're building something in Lego. The bottom ones, or building a house, the bottom ones are the most important, the foundation. So what are those that you need to be able to know how to work out? Well, 10% is 1, 25%, 1%, 50%, 5% less so. This probably is the most important one. So how do you find 10%? You divide by 10, because 10 lots of 10% make 100. 25% you divide by 4, because 25 times 4 is 100. To get 1% you divide by 100, because 100 times 1 is 100. 50% divided by 2, because 50 times 2 is 100. So we're going to be using those ones in these questions. So the first one, get 70%. So how do you get 70%? 7 lots of 10%. So how do you find 10%? You divide by 10. So 10% is 9,000 divided by 10, which is 900. So 10% is 900. Therefore you want 7 lots of 900. So 7 lots of 10%. So 7 times 9 is 63. And then 2 zeros in the end. Check if that sounds right. So 70%, so more than half of that. 50% would be 4,500, so that looks about right. There's the first one. Second one, how are you going to get 75%? So to get 75%, right, let's look over here. 50% is divided by 2, 25% is divided by 4. So we could do 50% plus 25%. Well, to get 50% you half it. So 50% is half of 800, which is 400. And then 25%, two ways you can do it. Either divide the first number by 4, the original number, or you can half this. Remember, divide by 2 is the same. So 25% is 200. So if I add those two together, I get what 75% is. 4 plus 2 is 6, so 600. So therefore 75% of 800 is 600. And the third one, so these have got decimals. It's the same thing. What do I need? Well, I need 9 lots of 10%. Or what you could do, if those of you prefer to start, right, I only need to go down a little bit from the whole thing, or 100% take away 10%, and I would get 90%. So 10%, what's 10% of 0.4? Well, how do I do it? Divide by 10. So how to divide 0.4 by 10? So you go one jump, that would be 0.04. So then I want 9 lots of 0.04. So 9, 18, 27, 36. And then how are we going to deal with this? Well, if it's 9 times 4, that's 36. And this is 100 times smaller. So 1, 2 jumps, so 0.36. So that is the answer. Let's try this way. Well, 10% we know is 0.04. 100% was 0.4. Take them away. And 0.4 take away 0.04. Remember, when you're doing decimals, fill in any missing numbers with zeros. Got to carry over. So take the 3 off. Carry 1. That's 6. 3 take away 0 is 3. Put a decimal point in. 0 take away 0 is 0. And you get the same answer. 0.36 is the answer.